today, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Alex from MTV Alex, and today, as you can see, I got my Mongoose on the operating room, and I'm gonna be recycling some parts. So let's go ahead and do just that. But before we start, please go ahead and consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and smash that notification bell on so you don't miss any future content. And let's go ahead and do this. Okay, the reason we are going to be swapping some parts is because right now I have already grandfathered in the shifter and derailleur from the Mongoose XR Pro that I had on the past summer, and whenever I'm pedaling hard on the first gear, it skips. I have already tried adjusting the B screw, everything that I can think of, and everything like that. Right now it's on a derailleur hanger. So we're gonna be mounting, and you can see what it's doing right now. Check it out. Whenever I actually have this on my training wheel, that's why I have a high rolling tire on the rear, because the original tire actually makes a lot of noise. And this is what it's doing right now, and it's pretty annoying because I don't put up the correct workout, or if I take it to the trail, I cannot be using the first gear, which is bad. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be putting in the shifter and derailleur that came in stock on my Swing Axum, and hopefully that one doesn't even need a derailleur because it should be long enough for this cassette. This cassette is 11-42 cassette, which is the same size as the one that came in on the Axum, so it should be no problem. Okay, so this is the rear derailleur that the Axum came stock with this shifter that is 8-speed. Let's go ahead and swap these up. First, I'm gonna be using my new tool. This is a quick link setter or remover. so that's easy. Takes about 10 minutes to do so. Let me go ahead and take it out for a spin to see if that thing already solved the problem, and let me come back to you. That really took care of the problem. I'm glad it did, so that way I can keep taking this thing to the trail. Maybe my wife can use it meanwhile, but it's gonna be awesome. I still have a few things that I want to do to this thing. I'm gonna replace the headset, I already have it, and the pedals, and also the shock. I have an air shock for it that I haven't actually installed yet, so stay tuned for those. If you don't want to miss any more content on this bike or the Taff bike over there, I have a project for that too. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and maybe even a little bit of that one. So if you don't want to miss any of that content, please hit the notification and subscribe. If you want to support this channel, link down in the description. Other than that, that is it for this one, guys, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.